Crystal, from the moment you were born, I knew you were destined to great things. Your curiosity, compassion, and zest of life has always been a source of joy. May your love continue to grow stronger with each passing day, and may your life together be filled with the happiness and blessings you all so richly deserve. Cheers to Crystal and Jeremy.
I just know that I love Crystal with all my heart. She's absolutely sweet. It's just a perfect match. And I love you guys so much. And I know you're going to be happy. And maybe one day I'll be blessed with a grandchild. I love you guys.
I, Jeremy, take you, Crystal, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
I, Crystal, take you, Jeremy, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you, good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Jeremy, make Chris his beautiful wife.
Crystal and Jeremy, congratulations. When I first met Jeremy, I didn't know if I liked him, but 8 years later, He's my friend, and I'm here in his wedding. And I just want to say, like, it's a special moment, and I hope Crystal and Jeremy meet all their happiness, and you guys.
She's just always been a constant in my life, and I've been really grateful for her. We just love you, Crystal. I hope you both have a marriage full of happiness, and I know you two are going to make each other happy and just have such a wonderful life together. So let's raise a glass to the newlyweds.